Hey y'all, welcome to CC's Texas Garden. So guys, we're getting ready for some cold weather coming up. That means I need to put stuff back in the greenhouse. And the crazy thing is, by the end of the week, we'll be back warm. This in and out stuff, what drives me nuts. But I gotta put this stuff up. We are one of the days we supposed to get 29 degrees. Yeah, these tropical plants can't handle 29. Now, I have had these dragon fruit in here since I carried them in the last time. I have not moved them. They're in there. I water them in there, and I just leave them there because I can't. That girl tears me up when I mess with her. So, but these other plants, the pineapples, the Cuban oregano and things like that, that's frost sensitive, tomatoes, I gotta put them back in there. My banana plants, she coming back, y'all. Look at her. Look at that, she getting the second leaf down there too. Yeah, so I definitely gotta make sure I put her back in there. Yeah, I also need to water, deep water the beds. I do have some things that have popped up. I'll show you that a little later, but some of the seeds that I dropped have germinated and they are up, and I'm like, I'm gonna have to put them as well in the well, you know what, I can put a tote over them. That they may keep them. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a plastic tote over them so that'll insulate them. Anyway, a lot of work to do to get this garden ready for this cold front. My banana leaves just came back, so I'm thinking I'm gonna put two of the green stakes and put one of them big old tree covers that I have and put that over them. Just, I want the stakes in there to keep the cloth from being on top of the leaves, and cover them up. I'm gonna cut the sugar cane leaves down low, cut all them down low. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff to kind of get to. Good morning, y'all. Welcome to the channel. It's cold and I don't want to be out here, but because I had put the plants and everything up in the greenhouse, and I figured I did not have to be outside today, but we got bad gusts of wind and have to show you what happened. And hopefully it's not broke. We'll see how sturdy this bed really is. But oh wow, I have a lot of stuff blown out here. Okay, but let me show y'all what happened. That's, oh, the wind is blowing. But that is my Vego bed. I think she's not broken though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix her. And I noticed that things were all over there is blown. I happened to look out the back window and see my bed laying over. I'm like, no, because that means I have to go outside. Let me fix this tripod. Okay, guys, so I put it back up. We did lose some soil at the bottom. That's okay. But as for the sturdiness of this Vego bed, it's doing good. It didn't damage it. The poles, they're plastic railing in there. It didn't break. It is a heavy plastic. And now I just sealed it up. What happened was that I had one side open and the wind just caught that and knocked it over. You can see it knocked my fence. Put my fence back up. Yeah, I had to snap that. So I'm gonna have to put my fence back up. We don't have any critters to climb in there. But the sturdiness of this Vego bed, it did not destroy it at all. That is good. All right, now after my other stuff that's blown, I'm guessing this is the neighbor's Christmas mat. I will just put it over here. That wind was bad. Okay. Let's go ahead and fix our fence back. My hands are cold. Okay. Oh, my hands are frozen. Okay, as for my greenhouse, it is sitting there sturdy. The top point, I need to order another greenhouse, y'all, this summer. I'm gonna have to order another one because the top of this, maybe I don't have to order another one. Maybe I just need to order another cover on there. Because at the top of there, where the points is, of the triangle parts, have holes. So and when they want to rain, it's just gonna rain right in there. But as for the sturdiness of staying together, I mean, pretty good. Yeah, I did not think about the wind blowing. Oh, let's check and see inside the garden, because I see my chair is blown over. Okay. I just blew the chair. Okay. But for everything else, I mean, it's windy. I do need to put another twisty on there. Very windy out here. Let's see, anything blown over? Not really. Well, all the broccoli's got pushed this way. Okay. Look at my cabbage, y'all. Remember when I told you to leave the leaves and the bottom part? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 heads. Look, that's where the middle was for that cabbage. I left the outer leaves, and now we're gonna have 6. They're gonna be smaller heads, but it's still gonna be some more cabbage. Yeah. Now, did I do that with that other, the big Savoy cabbage? I didn't. It'll still produce some leaves like it's trying to right there on the stem of it, but it's not gonna do like that one did. Okay, yeah. The wind is blowing everything this way, but the broccoli are sturdy. This is my other Savoy cabbage. She's not gonna be as big, but she's gonna be delicious. My mustards are okay. All of this stuff is fine. I mean, it's blown, but it'll be all right. They can handle the wind. All right. Well, everything looks pretty good. My fingers are freezing. It is, what is the temperature? It is 45 degrees out here, but it feels like 30. And my fingertips are, I know my fingers are ashy, but my hands are hurting. That's how, oh my gosh. I do need to cover these up today. I was thinking we wouldn't be, but it's a feel like 30. I gotta cover this with the tree cover I have for these bananas. They just put out their new leaves. I don't know why they did that, but they did, because we was in the 80s. Oh, look at my babies over here. These are my new seedlings. And why do I have them out in the cold? I don't know. I need to cover them up. I do. I need to keep them insulated. My nasturtiums are coming up. Nasturtiums don't mind the cold weather, so they're fine. I do need to cover this up. Let me get my plastic container. There we go. So that'll keep them warm. And that brick on top will keep the plastic from blowing away. Other than that, y'all, this is a pretty short video because it's cold. And your girl was just in the 80s in my shorts for Christmas, and now it's cold. But by the end of the week, I'll be back in my shorts. I will. That's why people are having all kind of sickness, because hot, cold, here we go, you know? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I know you think I'm up north somewhere because I'm cold. But no, I'm down here in South Texas. Come and check out my channel. Go ahead and subscribe, for you can see all the things I'll be doing for the spring. And but yeah, come and check me out. If you're already subscribed, go ahead and make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see y'all later. I'm going to the house, give me some warm tea, okay?